and I don't
Okay. So, good morning. How are you? How have you been today?
know. Hello, very good morning. I have been doing great. Thank you so much for asking. What
Uh,
about you? How have you been?
yes,
And
I am
mhm.
great, and thanks for asking me. And this is our second session, I think, na? Suman.
Yes,
This is
yes.
our second
Yeah,
session with you.
absolutely right.
And
Yeah, yeah.
I remember that one session I had taken with you like 2 or 3 months ago, I think.
Months ago. Yeah,
Yes,
right,
yes, yes.
right.
So,
Mm-hmm.
how is your journey going on?
Everything is going smoothly, I must say. Nothing special, as usual.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
how is
What
your
about you?
yes, my journey is going on also too good. But after before 2 or 3 months ago, I stuck my video. I uploading on my channel. I stopped because I engaged in some another work, offline work. So that's why my channel is stucking right now, and it takes time to grow again. So, yes, I am free today, so I thought I want to connect to someone. Uh, yeah,
Okay, that's great.
yeah.
It means you don't take session every day?
No, I didn't take session every day because of busyness of my children or some other work also. I want to create my own content on my Instagram channel, on my Facebook channel most of the time, every day.
Mhm.
It is I think this is the time for like 8 or 9 months. It's been over, and I continue upload my short videos or my English language content on my Instagram channel or Facebook channel or YouTube channel
Okay.
also, but not conversational video is the
You
um,
upload shorts video.
yeah, most of the time I upload
Mhm.
short videos because I want
Oh, that's
to
also
give
great.
my audience like some knowledge, some specific grammar knowledge, advanced vocabulary knowledge also. Beside this communication or conversational videos, it is
Well,
only
this
for our
something
practice
different.
purpose,
I
you
can
know.
say.
Yes, yes, it is
Mhm.
only for our practice purpose. Conversational videos
Mhm.
is the another thing, but short videos, if you upload on your channel, it gives you a lot of knowledge or exposure also.
Exactly right. Exactly right. Yeah. So, how's going your institute? I think you teach in the institute, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But right now, I have to quit from that institute because of my personal things. That's why,
Okay.
yeah. But now I am right. Actually, I want to consistence on my YouTube channel regularly now
Mhm.
because of in summer holidays there are too much gapping of my YouTube channel. So it was something lost from me. So now
Mm-hmm.
I'm like I try to best to consistent on my YouTube channel also. Tell me something about your journey. How is your going on your communication skills?
So I can say I relate myself with you because just because of summer vacation, I was also not consistent with my YouTube channel. I was unable to upload videos every day. These days, uh, I'm able to upload like twicely, thricely in a week. So this is really changed for me. But I want to do this work, my consistency, so slowly and gradually, I am coming back on the right track, I can say.
Yes.
And yes, if something disbalanced, so it takes time to recap everything on the same board, or I can say on the same track.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so Sumar, have you any topic for discussion or some random questions if you want to ask from me and discuss, so you can.
I can say we just met suddenly, so there is no any topic from my side. If you have, so you can share. Otherwise, we can go with random conversation.
I have some common topics like if we discuss about the communication skills, why it is very necessary nowadays. Everyone wants to go for the fluent speaker, want to be a fluent speaker. Why? What is the reason of how can we become a fluent speaker? Tell me some tips for this.
Okay, so first of all, let me tell you, as you asked me, why fluent communication important? Such a really amazing question, and there are many co-learners. They always thought why before starting this journey why it is so important, and still there are many co-learners. They have a confusion like why we are like running behind this language, and we are quitting so many things just because of the language, right? So according to my perceptions, why it is so necessary, because if we know the communicate, so we can win the whole world, if we know the
Yes.
how to communicate with the people. Communication is the one side and knowledge is the one side, right? Some like there are some place where we need communication
Suma, there
first.
is a one random call, so please excuse me for 1 minute only. Na?
Okay, okay, all right.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please
Yes,
continue.
yes, yes. So whenever you go somewhere, so first of all, people judge you how you are communicate the people, and how your the way of speaking, the way of body gesture, the way of facial expression. After that, people slowly and gradually get to know about your quality, your quantity, right? So that is the reason I think communication is most important. कहते हैं ना, first expression is the last
Last
expression,
expression.
right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
So,
So
actually, Suman, I want to ask one more question that whenever we go for the interview, like especially for the professionally, like in a teaching line, when we go to the principal office to face him, when we going conversation is going on quite smoothly, but in between in some sentences while replying we most of the time people used to stuck in at the moment, so why it is stucking, how can we remove the stuckness or fumbleness, how can we remove this fumbleness or stuckness in front of others
hmm.
while expressing our views or yeah, and how to articulate
That
ours.
is really, again, I can say, such a great question. And I think most of the person, every second person facing these kind of problems. So I must say, first of all, if we are sitting in front of anyone, don't feel fear and don't feel hesitation. If someone asking with you something, we should give the answer whatever we have knowledge with confidence. If you don't know about that particular thing, you should say there clearly, sir, sorry, I don't know about this thing. Just I know about this, so I will elaborate with
Yes.
yeah, I will elaborate in front of you or before you. I don't much knowledge about this particular area, so sorry for that. But whatever you have in your mind, so you should give with confidence,
Have you
according to
faced,
my perception.
yeah, have you faced this kind of problem in front of anyone? like any high quality person, like any manager or any principal. Have you faced this kind of problem of fumbleness or stuckness in front of anyone? Like whenever you went for the interview, like in your in a profession, like a teaching profession or another profession.
Mhm.
So
Yes,
have you
I
any?
must say yeah, let me share my experience. Uh, Before started my English journey, I went to the school for interview purpose. Then I was unable to express my thought very clearly in English. So that time, sir asked me few things in English, and I reply him whatever I was unable to reply that in English, and after that I came into Hindi. So I faced just language, but I didn't face by God grace fearness. So then, sir, tell me first of all, you should work upon your communication. Then you can come back anytime in my school. So, and I told him, sir, I'm not good at much communication that time.
Yes, yes. Sometime I also fumbled while we went for the interviews, or I faced so many interviews in my life. If I would say, like, I am a professionally teacher, and I started my like interview in the month of January and February. These 2 months, I faced so many interviews of in KBS or in another school. So my experience was good at that time. And if you face interview any kind of institute or any kind of things, so you amazing experience is there with me. And I at that time I fumbled, sometime I fumbled also, but I hats of me myself, because I expressed myself. At least I tried to express myself fully enough fluently in English. So this is the
Mhm.
sometime this is the plus point for us also, and sometimes minus point is also there, because fumbleness is creating here because of the lateness of the practice. We are
Yeah, or
become
I can say
lazy,
it's a
or like,
natural, you
yeah,
know.
we are
Mhm.
some
And
becomes
it's a
some like
natural.
of, yeah, lagacious or lazy type na. So this is the one of the most reason. Laziness is the reason for our stuckness or formulas, because our lackness of practice is there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Exactly right. Yeah, yeah.
So
So, you must have kid, right?
yes, pardon, please repeat.
I'm asking you must have kid, and do you go to for PTM?
Yes, yes, of course. Not every month, whenever is held on meeting, PTM meeting, I went there, and I thoroughly expressed myself in English. But one or two things, like I want to ask from the teacher in Hindi also. Bilingual is there, not fluent in English. Bilingual conversation is going on with the class teacher of my kids, because last Saturday I went my elder son PTM, so she totally speak Hindi. Actually,
Oh,
it is CBSE school, but so
no.
many parents are there. So she like prefer Hindi language and bilingual language.
Okay.
Whenever it depends on the scenarios of the parents, not
Parents.
different
Mm-hmm.
kinds of parents are there, so different type of
Mm-hmm.
scenarios, it depends on them. So
Yeah.
I became a bilingual, and not so much fluent at that time, because so many parents are there for attending for the teachers. So
Mm-hmm.
not much fluent. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
when we have some problems regarding our children, so we must have discussed in a Hindi language, because they can understand properly my problem and my kids' problem. So it is very necessary. There, we I cannot say that fluent. fluent speaking is very necessary. No, it is the comfortable, it is the comfortable zone. It is very necessary for the teachers also, for our kids prop solution of the problem. So I would say there is no need to fluent speaking in front of the teachers. We should go bilingual. That is much important for
Yeah.
your kids.
Hmm. Exactly right. And as you mentioned, you always go with bilingual. So I also prefer to do, even though, in my school, teachers also used to speak in bilingual, because there are many parents, they know very well English, but there are many parents, they don't know about English.
And
So
you
you
know,
know what I
missionary schools,
do?
in missionary, my kids are studying in missionary schools, St. Paul's Inter College, and they are totally like no Christian teachers are there. So they totally speak in English, but there are some for 7 or 8 teachers are Hindus teachers. So they prefer like no bilingual. They prefer to speak in front of the parents only bilingual in Hindi and in English also. So it is a convenience. It depends on our convenience sometime. So I would not say that fluent speaking is very easy. No, it is tough for others, so, and for me also, for you also. Because if you have some kind of rare problem or very like a serious problem regarding your kids, so you should go Hindi or you should go English. Tell me.
Hmm. And I must say, if you have a full confidence, and uh, if you have a guts to elaborate with a clear point, so you can go by only English. But if you feel somewhere discomfortable, so you can go bilingual.
Yes.
So these days I am trying to convert with the teacher bilingual language, so that I slowly and gradually I can become a habitual to
Sometimes,
speak
you
in
know,
English.
we feel that in front of the teachers when we being a parents, so we sometimes we fumble, he or she, while speaking. Sometime and suddenly we call our children like he or she. So like while speaking, we sometimes we forget the pronoun, or sometimes we forget the some like a proper using proper verb or proper pronoun. Na, sometimes I feel in my scenarios, I feel because many times in our surroundings 2 or 3 parents are were standing there and they are speaking regarding their kids, so they forgot what kind of pronoun they should use at
I
that.
think they are not habitual. This
Hmm, they
is
are
the
not.
also reason,
Yes.
because I think they just try to talk only in English in front of the teachers. They never try it at their home or their friend circle. If anyone has friend circle like bilingual, and with the teachers or any neighbors, then they can become habitual. So it's depend on a person to person.
Yes, yes, yes.
And yeah,
So
but if
then
we
how many
really
kids do
want to
you have?
involve,
Yes, how many kids do you have?
I I have one kid.
Okay. She or he?
Yeah, he he
He goes to school.
he studies in sixth standard now.
6th standard. Okay.
Hmm.
So
And what about
whenever you
you?
go to yes, my elder one is first in first class. She has appeared right now, and my second son is in nursery class.
Okay, all right. Okay, great.
Yeah, so
So I can say, when your kids reached on sixth standard, then you become more fluent at that time, right?
yes, yes. By the God of grace, I really try to convert myself as a fluent speaker one day, and I tried every day because I lackness of time. There is a lackness of time for housewives actually. So practicing makes man perfect, you know. So I take time for 15 minutes or 30 minutes daily for speaking myself as
Okay,
yeah,
great way.
yes, yes.
Yes. So, as you mentioned, you spend 15 to 20 minutes, speak with your self or with your heart. May know what is your strategy to speak with yourself.
Yeah, actually, whenever
Like,
I
how
get,
do you start?
yeah, with my son.
Mhm.
Okay, if I get talk about my son, she automatically actually sorry, he
He,
automatically speaks. He automatically speaks small sentences regularly with me because
okay.
in summer vacations I taught him so many sentences, vocabulary words, simple sentences. So and now his school has been changed. Now he study in a missionary school, CBSE school. So he automatically, his class teacher always says that speak in English. If otherwise you get fined. So he speaks in
Mhm.
English. Small sentences. He speaks with me also. But,
Okay,
only
great. So
Sunday are there.
you usually talk with your son, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. I usually talk my conversation some like small sentences. Come here, like go to the upstairs, take out your notebook, and give me a glass of water. Like a small sentences makes him fluent slowly and gradually.
Mhm.
And she learns by his own pace and pause. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't worry
Okay,
about
got it.
him. Yeah. And
Yeah,
catching power
because
is good. His catching power is good.
hmm, yes, yes, you are right. These days, kids are learning so many things from their games, from their cartoons, and
Yes.
sometimes they also grab our phones. So they learn from everywhere. So
Yes.
they are getting chance. Okay, so my next question is that I wanted to ask something. Now I forget.
Yeah, you forgot. Yeah. Okay. So how can you
Yes.
manage your things? How can you manage your kids or your YouTube channels? Tell me something about this.
Okay, so in the morning time when my kid went to school, sorry, goes to school. Let me repeat. When my kid goes to school, the after going to his school, then after 2 hour or 3 hours, I free. Usually I free like from 11 to 1. So in between 2 hours, I love to prefer to record the video if I want to read something so I can read. And after coming back his school, then I love to editing or making thumbnail because only the conversation or practice when you stay alone, then you can do with wholeheartedly. If someone around you, so I think we get
Yeah, we get
uh,
confused or we get
disturbed,
like
confused.
yes, yes, yes. We
But
like
editing you can do anytime.
yeah,
So
we
that's
couldn't
how
focus
I'm
on
managing.
we couldn't focus on our own work. Like if kids disturb us or anybody else come around us in our home also, so we couldn't focus on our work. This is the right thing.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
So tell me,
Exactly
Suman,
right.
one thing that if you if you are teacher of in any school, like a English teacher, so what kind of knowledge you want to give them? You want to give your students like bilingual? You should go through like a bilingual or only in English, in a fluent English? What kind of method you prefer to teach?
Okay. So I must say, I most of the time speak English because if we don't try to speak English with them, they are unable to understand. And while asking the question, then first of all, I will explain everything on the board. And after explaining or after elaborating the chapter, then I will ask one by one. Like, can't say one by one randomly, I can say ask because there are 40 students. So we can't raise the question for one day for everyone, right? At the
Yes.
same class. So I can ask random. If student unable to understand, then I will go again for
Just 1 minute.
bilingual.
Just only 1 minute. Okay, so Suman, there is a very nice or great session with you, and being a parents, I have to quit this session right now because there is a time to come from school of my kids. So thank you so much for being here, and I enjoyed a lot with you.
Yeah, thank you, you too, for giving your precious time. I also enjoyed a lot this session, and I must say there are many co-learner or there are many moms watch our video, so they will also definitely get many ideas from our motivation from our
Yes,
videos.
yes. And next
So
session
thank you
I
so
will
much.
be if
Have
I
a
will,
great day
yeah,
ahead.
if I get opportunity with you, so I want to share with you like managing, how can we manage our parenting journey? How can we manage our things, household work or our professional work also. So this is my
Yes,
topic
yes.
for you for another session.
Okay, okay, definitely,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
definitely. Okay,
Thank you
okay,
so
bye
much.
bye. Have a
Bye
great.
bye.
Yes, yes. Thank you, you too.